Hey everyone, welcome back to another Unreal Engine 5 Blueprint tutorial. Today we are learning one of the most important logic node inside Unreal Engine, the branch node. If you understand this node, you understand how most Blueprint logic works. We'll start simple, then build up step by step until you can control the branch with real keys and Boolean variable. Let's get started. First, I'm open my character blueprint and I'm using a third-person template. Now go to the event graph, right click anywhere on the graph and search for one keyboard one, this one. This event will fire every time we press the one key while playing. From the pressed pin, drag out and search our branch node. This one under flow control. You will see three pins on the branch. One red input called condition and two white execution output true and false. A branch node works exactly like an if statement. If the condition is true, do this. If it's false, do that. From the true pin, drag out and search print string, this one, and search and change string to condition is true. From the false pin, add another print string and rename it to condition is false. Let's test how the branch behaviors without any variable yet. You see a small checkbox beside the condition and I'm uncheck it. That's mean false. If check it's true. Leave it unchecked and I'm compile, save this and I'm hit play and I press my keyboard 1 and you can see the screen prints condition is false. Now stop the game and check this condition and I compile, save this again and hit play and now I press one key again. Now it say condition is true. So that's the basic logic. Branch looks at a true, false value and picks a path. Let's make the branch read the real variable instead of a manual checkbook. Go to the variable and create a new Boolean variable called can do action. Now click compile. So the checkbox appears in the details panel. Unchecked means the variable it starts false. Checked means true. Now drag out our can do action variable and select this get and connect it to condition. So this branch now use the variable's value to decide this path. Now I'm press play again and press one key and you can see print our string condition is false because the default is unchecked. Now I'm click our variable and go to details under default value. I'm uncheck this and compile save and I'm hit press again, hit play again and press one key. You can see now our string print condition is true. That's your first dynamic branch. Let's make the variable change during gameplay so you can see how the branch reacts in real time. So I'm delete my old blueprints and in the event graph I am right click and search key 2 and I am go to the variable and drag out my can do action variable and set it and connect this to pressed and I'm check this. Now I'm at the print string node and rename string as a can do action true. Now I'm right click again and search 3 and get this keyboard event and drag this out. Sorry, I'm duplicate this node using Ctrl and D and connect this to pressed and uncheck this and I'm rename this string to can do action false. Now you have two keys that can switch the Boolean on and off while the game runs. Let's make a third key. This one will actually run the branch using whatever value the Boolean currently has. Right click and search 4 and add keyboard event 4. On the pressed, drag it and add branch node. As a condition, connect our can do action variable and click our can do action variable and make sure it's unchecked. And drag out true print and search printing string and rename string as a branch true action allowed. Now I am duplicate this print string using Ctrl and D and rename as a branch false action denied and connect is a false. Now I am compile save this. Now I am hit play. Now press 2 to set it true, then press 4, you see action allowed. Now press 3 to set it false, now press 4, action denied. You are now changing a boolean in real time and letting a branch read it. Let's review the logic together. So set can do action change the variable's value. Think of its writing data. Get can do action reads the variable's value. The branch not only reads the value, it doesn't change anything. It just check if it's true or false. When you press the key connect to the branch, Unreal looks at the variable and follow either the true or false part. That's the exact same logic every big game uses for decision, opening door, checking ammo, or activating abilities. So branch nodes are simple. If fails check, the condition can be manually set or read from a Boolean variable. Set nodes write a new value to the variables. Get nodes read it. You can control a Boolean variable live with keyboard's input. Branch then decide what to do based on that variable's current state. That's the full power of branch in Blueprint, and use it everywhere in your game. Thanks for watching. If this helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment for what Blueprint node you want me to explain next. See you in the next Unreal Engine 5 tutorial.